it's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Just wanted to do a little recap on one of my trades. So it is 8:33. Market's been open for about 1 hour here in Arizona. Um, Traded BNSO. Gonna kind of talk about what it is that I did. Said good morning to the team, and then talked about a little bit of the pre-market movers. BNSO just came out on one of my alerts. Hit highs of 390. Was dipping down pretty hard. Bounced at like 307. And I was letting them know that waiting for the bounce around three, as it was the safety. Let's go ahead and see. So I knew the safety was at $3. Pretty much was expecting a bounce to come back, around that same area, which is initially right here. Came down and then bought in, got filled at 310. Set a limit order, let the team know that I was going to set a limit order to sell at 340, trying to lock in 10%. And it didn't get filled all the way, so I got about 300 shares filled here, and then it ended up dipping back down. My stop loss kicked in at 330, and then I brought in about $191 of profit. I did vest again my normal risk account of $2,500. Ended up dropping all the way back down, hit really close to the $3 mark, about 302, and then started picking back up. Volume is really high for BNSO currently. Let's see where it's at. Yeah, it's at 317. So yeah, I could have caught it at that bounce and locked in another 20-cent gain, but overall, just really satisfied with in 1 hour, nearly $200 of profit. Gale's been having kind of a rough morning. Had a really big dip from the highs of 275, which is where it opened, all the way down to 258, I believe. And then we have NUGT that wasn't able to break that resistance. So kind of was letting the team know that there was a resistance right at that $9 mark. It's really at like $8.95. But overall, just trying to break that $9 mark, which it's been struggling to do within the past month. So let's go ahead and see. Yeah, but it has broken it and then ends up coming back down. So that's the only reason I didn't buy in. If it ended up breaking it at $9, I was most likely going to buy in. And I kind of let the team know that, um, you know, watch the break at $9 just because Chance is one of our traders that's in NUGT right now. Then the one that I have on my radar right now is DGAZ. It has a safety right around the 338 mark, and it has a pretty nice gap to fill. So again, not 100% sure, right? With if it's gonna have a huge bounce, but just setting myself up for success and hoping to lock in, over $200 of profit. As my daily goal. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to put my link down below. And thank you guys again so much for watching.